Today we're going to fix a cracked garbage can lid. Now this happened really quickly. First thing I did was drill a hole at the end of the crack so it stopped it from spreading. I first tried some plastic welding. It lasted for 1 week and then the truck beat the snot out of it. You can see that it's just completely snapped open here from that end, clean almost all the way across. And I don't want to go through the trouble of getting a new can just for that. So we are going to fix it with flex tape. Fully clean off the surfaces and give yourself a good few inches on either side, on both sides, with alcohol. Start peeling off the backing, lay it out, smoosh it down, give yourself a couple inches beyond where you think you need it to go. Smoosh it down real well. If you have a roller, use that. Otherwise, just press as hard as you can with your hands. Trim off any excess that you need to. Doesn't really matter here on the top of the lid. I'm going to trim it just a bit here and get around the sides. And the same thing to the inside. There you go. Bing, bang, boom. Fixed. No having to buy a new can or chance that you'll get a new crappy version if you got one that you like. We love this big one here. I'll put a link down below. Hope it helps. See you next time.